morning. Today we have a day trip here at Splash Mountain Resort in Laguna. And I have with me a bunch of vloggers, so it's not just myself today. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna tour around the property. We're gonna see the hotels here, and then afterwards we're gonna go to the water park. So just to be clear, this is Splash Mountain Resort. It's not Splash Island. So I know a lot of people get confused by those two. Splash Island is in Santa Rosa, I think, along SLEX. And then this one is in Los Baños. So right now, breakfast first. Okay, so now let me show you the food. The food for our breakfast. Ayan, nagpipicture pa sila. So we have eggs, garlic rice, fish, toast, and then adobo, scrambled eggs, and then bananas, and of course the usual coffee and stuff. We're having our breakfast here at the cafe at Splash Suites here in Splash Mountain. So let's eat. So here at Splash Mountain Resort, you actually have a choice of 3 hotels. There's 3 accommodation options. This first one that I'm gonna show you now is actually the Splash Hotel. It was the first hotel that was built on the property, and then now there's 2 more. So this is Splash Hotel, and then you also have Splash Suites Hotel, and then the other one is Oasis. So let's go in here first, and I'll show you one of the rooms. Okay, now we're inside Splash Suites and we're about to check out the rooms here. Oh, this is a family room. So, there are 5 beds. Tama ba yung baka mamaya sabi ng 5?
Ay! Ang dami!
ang mga vloggers.
Ay, sorry.
Nandun sa door. Hello, guys.
Hi!
Ayan, hi!
You can take 1 bed each. Hindi lang ito pang family. Pwede rin naman
Pang barkada. Or kung swingers kayo.
I'll take over.
Okay, now we are here at the room for 2 people. Pero magkahiwalay yung beds. Ayan. So, this is kind of... So, since we're in Splash Suites, this one feels more like a suite. Bumubulong kayo. Kita naman kayo, guys. So, this one actually has a sitting room. And then, there's also a table here. Ayan. And then, look at the window. It's a picture window. Yan, ganda ng view. Diba? Okay, so nag-aago... Tama na, okay lang. Kahit bumulong-bulong. Okay, hi! Hi, guys! So, it's time to show you my favorite room here in Splash Suites. This is the big bed here in the couple's room. And here's the best part. The jacuzzi. There's a hot tub right inside the room. Oh, diba? So nice and relaxing. And then here's the big toilet and shower. Yan. Okay, this is so perfect if you wanna go somewhere for your anniversary maybe, or you know, just a weekend away with your special someone. This is so nice. Imagine. And then I heard that later on they're gonna have packages for couples, so you can actually have a flower bath here. So that's exciting, diba? Okay, so here we have the pool area of the Oasis Hotel. Hi! Yeah, we have the vacationers there. Hi. It's a huge pool actually. Hi! Okay, so here's the room at the Oasis Hotel. Very new. Diba? I get the feeling that this one is more modern. Parang the suites is more traditional hotel feel. And then this one, very young yung vibe. And look, it also has a hot tub inside. Oh, the banyo here is so big. And then there's a huge hot tub.
Wow.
Oh, diba? Pwede pang couple. Pero it's big enough, pwede pang apat. Ito na lang yung it's really nice. So aside from the hotels and all the pools in the complex, there's also this outdoor jacuzzi. So nice, it's so big. Kasi like, I don't know, 10 to 15 people here. So you can really bond with your girlfriends if you want to do like a girls' weekend. Nice. Okay, so apart from the hotels and the pools, ay, nililipad yung skirt. There's actually a very nice wedding venue here at Splash Mountain Resort. Look. O, diba? Okay, so if you decide to have your wedding here, there's a lot of rooms in the property where you can stay while you're preparing and everything, and you can also have all your guests stay here, and then you'll have your reception. They have a ballroom in the property as well. And then, for even more fun, everyone can enjoy the hot springs during your wedding week. Make it a week now, or a weekend at least, diba? Destination wedding na rin, even if it's not that far from Manila. So nice. So guys, before swimming, we're already here at the pool area. But of course, hey, this is more important.
Food is life, guys.
Food is life. Ayan, we're gonna have a boodle fight for lunch first before we get in the water. Giant water slides here in Splash Mountain Resort, and I'm about to show you my friend Carla taking on the slide. Hey.
I just landed from this yellow thing. I want to try this orange one later, but I want the floating too. Over there.
Yeah, the other one, right? There's so there's these two. What do you call these? Like there's speed slides. Here they're just they just go straight down, so they're fast. And then there's another giant slide there at the back that goes around, so it's a little bit slower. I think maybe that one I could do. This one, no way, man. So here's the other two slides. They go around. And it looks to me like this is going much slower, so you can see. Okay, so I think I could manage this one. Like, okay, the white one is faster, it seems. Oh my god, that's a lot. Wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, so I think the white white one is going faster than the blue one. So let's see. I'm still not convinced that I want to try it because, you know, I'm really afraid of water slides. But anyway, I'm sure my friends are having fun doing the slides. I'm gonna show you some footage of their drops. Okay guys, so ito na. I'm climbing the tower to do the slide. And I'm scared. I'm scared. Bahala na. I'm with Alex. Hi Alex. Oh my God! Oh my God, ang bilis niya! Oh my God! Holy shit, man! Oh my God! Hey, Carla! Okay, so we also... Oh my God! Hey, Carla, Tina, how are you guys?
I love that. I love that. What do you feel like?
Oh my God! So I'm so glad that my friends decided to go with me kasi otherwise,
Actually, guys,
I swear I wouldn't do it.
better than the yellow one.
Oh my God!
This is fun.
It was fun, no?
Yes.
Pero I swear, if you guys didn't go, I wouldn't go talaga. Parang there's no effing way. Pero it was so much fun. Maybe I could do it again. Pero sobrang scary kasi I felt like I was gonna tip over and out of the slide. Pero obviously, it's safe naman. I'm just an idiot. Super scaredy cat talaga ako when it comes to slides. But that was super fun. Yay! So it started raining like crazy, but it's okay. We can still enjoy because the pool is warm. It's warm. It's super init there though, the other one. So it's hot. It's hot.
I like it hot. Drop it like
We're
it's hot.
hot.
You drop it like it's
Oh,
hot.
ay, lakas ng ulan. You have to go to again. But it's fun. It's okay. Even if it's raining, it's alright because it's a hot spring, right? So the water is warm. So we're still having fun here.